Hi, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to put a PDF into the background of a slideshow so that students can edit or write on top of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to take a picture of whatever PDF you have. There are several tools that you can use. There's one called Snipping Tool if you're using a Windows machine, and obviously with an Apple, you can do the screenshot tool. Okay, I have an Apple, so I'm going to show you how to do it. But if you do need help on how to use a snipping tool, I'm going to link the video down below so that you can watch that part as needed. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a picture of just the piece that I want, which is this first page. Now it will live in my desktop, so what I'm going to do now is bring it up, and I believe here it is. I'll move that over. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to my slideshow, and I want to change the setting so that it looks like a paper. Right now it's just a slide. So I'm going to go to File, Page Setup, and I'm going to select right here, widescreen. I'm going to go to Custom. I'm going to change this to 8.5 by 11, just like a copy paper. So now you'll see that I have what looks like a copy paper. I'm going to delete all of these titles. I don't need them. Now what I'm going to do is go to background. Once I'm in background, I'm going to select choose image. Since I took a picture of this PDF, it has now become an image. So I'm going to go to choose image. And then I'm just going to drag it in there. You can obviously browse it as well. So I'm going to say done. So now this page is the PDF that I want. And if you see that if I made a new one, it won't carry it over. So here it is. And then students can zoom in. They're going to go to view, zoom, and they can also zoom out if that's too much. And then they just scroll. Now, since I set it as the picture background, there's nothing that I can make changes to here. So that worked out great. Otherwise, I'll show you what would happen if I just drag the picture over. So I'm going to go to the slide and just drag it over. So I'll show you that now this PDF is movable, and we don't want that because it can cause some confusion. So what you're going to do now is you're going to create a text box for students, and that way they can enter their answers here. I recommend using a different color so it stands out when you can see their answers. Also maybe changing, that was through the A right here. Also changing the border weight so that it stands out. And not only changing the border weight, but also the color. I would stick to that color the whole year. If you don't like red, pick a different one. Once that is there, I'm going to select both things here. This text box, I'm going to select Control C, Control V to copy, to paste, I'm sorry. Now I'm going to put it into everywhere where I need an answer. Okay? And you can keep doing that with other PDFs. If you have a huge file of PDFs that you need to go in there, I'm going to have another link of where you can convert PDFs in large quantities into a bunch of pictures in a folder on your desktop. So check out that link if you would prefer that as well. Okay, hope that helps. Take care.